Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how can you download Credit Karma application into your Android device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Chrome browser, and after opening that, you will just simply have to search for Credit Karma app, and after that the bunch of options will be showed into here. Now you just simply have to scroll down a bit and you will directly get this option of Intuit Credit Karma. Just simply select that and it will lead you to the Play Store. And now if this Intuit Credit Karma application will be available into your region, you can easily download it from here. Otherwise, it will show this item is not available into your country. Just simply select install if this application is available into your region and it will be installed. Otherwise, you will have to wait for it to be available into your region. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.